The project name is Earthquake Building with Alarm. Whenever there is an earthquake, you will get an alarm. So the vibrations are produced using a motor arrangement which is provided on the bottom of this project. Okay, these buildings are kept on the top. Whenever the vibration happens, the buildings will vibrate, demonstrating their strength and weakness. This is the earthquake alarm, which is powered using a battery and a switch. This is the buzzer which will give the sound. Once the battery is connected, there is a mass suspended and between a circular ring. Whenever there is a vibration, the center wire will touch the outer ring and it will produce sound. Okay, now when you press this button, the building starts vibrating and these street lights will glow. This is how the system works. The lights can be seen from this direction.